Right, so I hope everyone's been alright lately. I've not been on much over the past couple of weeks, or maybe even a month. Several things had happened. One is just work took off loads, really badly. Good thing really, but loads of work come in. Me and Marinda both got COVID, but obviously we're still here, so it was right. But it seems to make you really tired, and we was a bit ill, but afterwards it seemed to be worse. Makes you really tired and fatigued. Anyway, so that kind of just so tired, I just couldn't really do anything. Anyway, hopefully I'll be back a bit more now, doing a bit more. So what I wanted to show you was a book I bought. Now this was very expensive for what it is. It's a good book, but it's very expensive. This was 25 quid, second hand. Good quality second hand, but it is second hand. Now it's The Trapper's Bible, Traps, Snares and Path Guards by Dale Martin. And it's a Paladin Press book. I'll hover this over here so hopefully you can read that. Meat in the freezer, money in the bank. Trapping can be a rewarding and lucrative hobby, even more so than when you have the satisfaction of making and setting the traps yourself. I won't read it all, you can read it yourself. Right, I wanted this book for a while, but it's quite... I don't think they're in print anymore, or not, where I could ever find them. You can only get second hands, and very expensive for a book which is only about 60 to 70 pages. But it is a good book. Now, I'm going to do some of the traps out of this, definitely. I'll just give you a brief look through it. So it's got quite actually, let's go to the sorry about holding the camera. I'm not at home and I ain't got a tripod with me. Well, not a proper one. Right, so preface, introduction, pest snares, large animal snares, transplant traps, which when he says that he means like live catch traps, camp alarms, last resort traps, and afterward. Now last resort traps are you like things intended for people, I suppose. That's a good one, like a camp alarm. Last resort traps, like your kind of punji stake stuff and all that. And then your other traps, like I said, they're cage traps, box traps. Some in here I've never ever seen in anything. I've never seen some of these ever anywhere else. Very simple net trap. Quite a bit about different types of snares. So anyway, that's that book I've got. Fairly expensive for what it was. I'm going to definitely do some of the traps out of this book, and then we get some videos. Right, hope you're all safe, doing well. I'm feeling a bit better now. I've been feeling so bad lately, it's been unbelievable. If I lay down for 5 minutes, I will fall asleep straight away, no matter what time of day it is. I did it earlier on. That's how tired I am at the minute. But feeling a little bit better, and should be getting a bit more motivated. So, cheers for watching, and I'll see you later.